What's up, guys? So today I am cleaning the motor that we're prepping for the S10. I didn't take much video pulling it out of the truck or to where we've got it to now. Pulled valve covers, intake, cleaned out the galley to make sure it looks good and there's no chunks of oil or metal or anything like that. So doing that, cleaning the valve covers. They are currently in the solvent tank. And then I'm degreasing the entire motor and cleaning that. We're gonna prep it for some paint. Yeah, so it's just a stock 96 Vortec 350. I was gonna put a cam and stuff in it, but I think I'm just gonna wait. I want to get it in the truck, get it running, and just drive it for a bit, and then go from there. Maybe do some stuff next winter. But here it is. This is the motor here. It's your average 350. Nothing crazy. Got the roller lifters and all that stuff, which is sweet. Has a little more jam than you would with the pre-96, like 95 and down. And yeah, just some grime, lots of grime. So we're just slowly degreasing it here and cleaning it up. Okay, so I'm letting the degreaser work its magic. Cleaned off the water pump face, the whole intake faces, and here as well. Put the lifter retainer back in. It's coming out not too bad. A little more cleaning for sure. But we're gonna go ahead right now and put on the intake. I purchased a Performance World intake. It's out of Langley BC, Canada. It's a Vortec to Carb conversion, so it has the proper bolt holes in the corner. So the Vortecs only have 8 intake bolts, 2 in each corner. This intake was 250 bucks Canadian, which is pretty good. Edelbrock wanted, it was like $389 before tax for basically the same style of intake, so I went with the cheaper one because it's a cheap build. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Okay guys, so valve covers on. Her valve covers are on. I gave them a fresh coat of paint. Intake's on. I just got to finish degreasing, and then taking the manifolds off, we noticed one, it's hard to see, broken bolt inside here. So we're gonna have to extract that, and then also one right here. Shouldn't be too bad to do, so I'll do a video on how to extract broken bolts like this out of the heads, and yeah, go from there. Gonna look for some dummy plugs or some brass plugs for these. This is like coolant temp sensor. There's a oil sensor on the other side you need to plug as well, and then go from there and just continue on. So yeah, next video will be extracting these studs.